Welcome to Stock Machine. We're all about keeping you in the loop with updates on all 500 S&P stocks every few months. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss out. Let's jump right in. Every time you use your smartphone, laptop, or AI assistant, there is a company you have probably never heard of that made it possible. Meet KLA Corporation, ticker KLAC, the quality control master of the semiconductor world. Here is the thing about computer chips. They are incredibly complex. We are talking about transistors smaller than a virus, packed billions at a time onto a single chip, one tiny defect. We are talking nanometer scale, and your entire processor is worthless. So how do chip manufacturers ensure quality when they are working at the atomic level? That is where KLA comes in. They do not make the chips, they make sure the chips are perfect. KLA dominates the process control market within WFE, with a majority market share, more than quadrupling that of its next closest competitor, Applied Materials. Think of KLA as the quality inspector with a magnifying glass so powerful it can spot a grain of sand on a football field. Their machines use advanced optics, electron beams, and AI algorithms to examine every layer of a semiconductor as it's being built. As chips get more complex, especially AI chips that need to process massive amounts of data, the demand for KLA's inspection equipment skyrockets. The numbers tell the story. KLA reported GAAP net income of $1.09 billion and GAAP net income per diluted share of $8.16 on revenues of $3.06 billion in their latest quarter. We particularly like that KLA boasts the highest profit margins out of any WFE firm under our coverage. Their moat is deep. It takes years to develop this inspection technology, and chip manufacturers can't risk switching to unproven alternatives when billions of dollars in production are on the line. As we enter the AI boom, every major tech company is racing to build more powerful chips. NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, TSMC, they all need KLA's equipment to ensure their cutting-edge processors work flawlessly. The more complex the chip, the more critical KLA's role becomes. It's a perfect setup for sustained growth. If you found this deep dive helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow investors, and hit subscribe for more insights. What do you think about investing in companies that drive innovation? Let me know. Important disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions.